Welcome to Waxwing, the game-changing AI-powered task management platform built for growth hackers. Ready to kickstart your growth journey? Let's dive in. First up, enter your website. For today's demo, we're using referralcandy.com. Hit crawl and watch as Waxwing springs into action, crawling your site, pinpointing your target audience, crafting buyer personas, and amassing market intelligence, all in real time. Now, feast your eyes on your personalized dashboard. This is your mission control for growth. Eager to set a new goal? Let's do it. Chat with our AI, and for today, let's aim to improve sign-up conversion rate. But wait, our AI's got a pro tip. Make that goal measurable and time-bound for laser-focused initiatives. Love it? Click, let's go ahead with this goal, and let the magic unfold. Waxwing's AI now showers you with brilliant hypotheses, each one a stepping stone to your goal, all backed by rock-solid business and market intelligence. Want more? Just ask. Our AI is your brainstorming buddy, always ready with fresh, strategic ideas. Found your golden idea? Awesome. Click Proceed with Selected Idea, and behold as Waxwing crafts a full-fledged, actionable plan, complete with KPIs and priorities. Time to finalize those tasks. One click, and you're taken to your initiative dashboard, where every task is laid out, neat and tidy. Curious about a task? Click it and instantly see its scope, deliverables, and budget. Assign it to your team or let Waxwing take the reins. And there you have it. From ideation to execution, Waxwing has streamlined your entire growth experimentation process. So, what are you waiting for? Join the Waxwing revolution today, and let's accelerate your startup's growth journey together.